Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Coliseum. Just got my Pixel 8a here from Google. Thank you for sending this over. This is an opportunity to sort of see basically the best of Google at the best value, best bang for the buck, I always find. So like 8a here. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. Tear. Tear. Okay. So, we got the phone, and then we got cable, and we got a USB A to C adapter. I think that's going to be it. No extra plug-in. There's the SIM pusher, and that's it. But take a look at this phone. I'll do this with one hand. Whoops. Oh, I do like that roundedness of this here. That takes me back a fair bit. Cool. Nice feel. Like it's not ceramic, but it feels a little better than plastic. Cool. So I'll have a review up in a little bit. If you have any questions, you know where to reach me.